Millie, just wanted to share some words with you. Just very thankful for you. I love this poster. 4 years with you with the basketball team, but you've been the stat girl all 4 years, and so I love seeing a picture with you, a ball in a hand. I know I've asked you those first few years, asked if you would play, but so it brings my heart joy just to see you with a basketball in your hand. But really, the stats that you're willing to do for our team were incredible. If people will take time just to go to the kind of the notes, I've got pictures of the girls, but one a picture of Millie taking stats for the boys at the state tournament. Her and Iris are there, and just the joy that she has on her face doing stats is what I will remember. Millie, you have an incredible joy in your life, and it's one of those things that you care about doing things to the highest level, and that speaks very highly of you and the character that you have. You have a high level of integrity, and you care about serving people well. You cared about doing the stats in a way that I wanted, that I needed for our team, and you did it in an incredible way. I also love that when we asked you to try to find some people to continue and help you out. It wasn't just someone that just to hang out with. You took that seriously, to find someone that you enjoyed, but someone that would do it to a high level, and you and Iris did an incredible job. One of the things that I appreciated, a lot of people didn't know, is that you coming in even this year and checking stats to see if things were correct, and that's incredible. You've done so many games, boys games, girls games, Trojan Classic. You might want to break from doing stats, but I know that if you go to college, there's going to be people that would love to get a hold of you because coaches they know the resource that you are. I've definitely appreciated that, and I'm so thankful for you. One of the other things that I'm thankful for is just your level of just relationships on the buses, the conversations, the questions. You didn't just come along. You were willing to engage and get to know people well, and it was so much fun. You'd ask me questions. You would answer questions. It was fun to just get to know you a little bit more. One of my favorite memories is you asking me at the Larned game this year who was more fun, you or your sister Abby. I refused to answer that because I care about both of you, and I wasn't going to get in between that. But just those things, you're willing to joke, the April Fool's jokes that you and your family would have with Coach Bolt and I. It was just a lot of fun these last 4 years. One of the things that I also would say is that even your investment in my family, my wife loves talking about Enneagrams. And I remember many bus trips, you talking about what Enneagram people were or what, and with the characteristics, and just getting to know people. And it wasn't out of judgment. It was to get to know them better so you can understand them, and ultimately that you could love them better. And I absolutely love that. So, Millie, just the character that you've shown these last 4 years of just with all the stats, just your eye for detail, the integrity, doing it the right way, loving people well, all of those things will be missed, but I know that those will carry on to help you be successful in whatever you do. Lord, we miss you, and we are thankful for you, and we love you a lot.